one ice cream fish.
Oh, it's ice cream fish. Okay. Okay.
Hooray!
Everybody buying it's too hot. I can buy ice.
So you gonna buy the ice cream now? What is this?
Fishy. I need something.
Yeah. But what do you see on there? Is this ice cream or fish?
Ice cream fish.
Oh, it's ice cream fish. Okay. Okay, so let's go and buy one. Which one you like? This one or this one? Okay.
Four flavors.
Yeah.
Regular, strawberry, blueberry, and carrot.
Okay, which flavor you want?
Blueberry?
Blueberry, yeah. Blueberry? Okay, let's make a blueberry. You know how many toppings you want? One topping? How many toppings you want? 5 toppings? That's too many.
I bought
You want only 1 topping or 2 toppings? 5? No, let's go 2. 5 is too much.
I bought a lot.
Which one you want, Hero?
Chocolate cake. Okay. Blueberry, strawberry, vanilla,
Which one you want?
vanilla.
Okay. Take it, Hero.
Hooray!
Okay, Hero, did you like the ice cream today?
Yes, I think Mexico's too hot. I need a knife, another ice cream because I don't want to ice cream that out. That won't have any chocolate.
Okay.
Thank you for watching the video.